what they call a nail cutter to either cut or straighten a clinch. Something's blowing around the barn. Judd thinks it's going to kill him. I'm all right, Judd. I'll protect you. Just relax, huh? If you happen to be a horse owner and you've sprung a shoe and you have to get the shoe off, it is possible to get simply a cold chisel, and we can use it. I've known people in desperation use a flat bit screwdriver. It doesn't matter what you use to straighten or cut that clinch. I'm going to ask Ted to move a little bit. He's blocking all my light from the west side. There we go. A couple of things I've been missing since I've gotten older. One is my eyesight, and the other is my mind. Seem to, at different times, have lost both. Wife says I've lost my sense of humor. Maybe not. They call this a clinch cutter. Most of my life, I've not used clinch cutters as much as just simply put it on the stand, use the smooth side of my rasp, wrap it until the clinch is gone. Doesn't matter how you loosen the clinch, you just want to be able to pull that shoe.